If you're wondering whether the AI software cost estimator is worth trying, this is the video you need to see before making any decision. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and this one, it's doing something surprisingly useful for anyone in SaaS, app development, or digital product launches. And the best part? You can try it completely free from the first link below. What makes the AI software cost estimator different is that it uses real-world market data, historical pricing trends, and even feature set complexity to give you a razor-sharp cost estimate for building software, whether it's a mobile app, AI platform, or a custom web tool. Most cost calculators are generic. This one actually tailors estimates based on your answers, your industry, and even your tech stack preference. That's a big deal. Let's talk accuracy. From what I've seen, it's surprisingly close to actual dev quotes. If you're a founder or marketer trying to scope out MVP costs, this removes so much of the guesswork. You just answer a few simple prompts, like the type of software, number of users, desired features, and within seconds, you'll get a price range that feels like a developer already reviewed your brief. Now here's something most people miss. The tool doesn't just spit out a price. It gives you a breakdown, backend costs, UI UX design, APIs, AI model integration, database setup, all in plain English. That's incredibly helpful when you're pitching to investors or comparing agency quotes. Another underrated benefit is that it flags features that typically inflate your budget. For example, if you want real-time syncing or advanced AI integration, it tells you how much those line items usually cost and whether it's worth adding them now or later. It's like having a technical project manager in your pocket without paying a dime. Now, I did test it with some unusual use cases, like niche healthcare apps and e-commerce automation tools, and even then, the AI held up. The flexibility is impressive for something that just launched. It's not perfect, of course, but it's learning fast with each new user input, which means the more people use it, the better it gets. Here's something that got me excited. There's a roadmap for integrating team collaboration, exportable PDF reports, and even live cost tracking during development phases. That would turn this from a one-time estimator into a full pre-dev planning suite. If they pull that off, this software could become essential for any serious founder. So if you're comparing dev quotes, building a SaaS, or even just curious about how much your software idea would cost, don't skip this. You can try the AI software cost estimator completely free from the first link in the description. And if you're wondering which other AI tools are actually worth using, I've listed my top recommended AI software tools after testing thousands of them in the description as well. Try them out for free and let me know which one blew your mind the most.